To schedule an exam, first click on the Schedule button on your navigation bar. If your user account is associated with more than one subcentre, you will need to select the subcentre that your learner is registered with by doing the following. Click Refresh to apply your selection. Please note, if your centre only has one subcentre, then you will not need to do this. You can now click on the Create button in the top left-hand corner. A pop-up box will appear asking you to select your qualification and assessment. Select your qualification and the exam that you're trying to schedule. You will now be able to amend your exam schedule details. Firstly, select your delivery type. If you are planning on sitting an exam offline, then you must select offline at this point. The start date will always be 10 minutes away from the point that you click on the Create button. A 6-week window will be automatically selected, meaning the exam will be valid for 6 weeks. If you amend the start date of your exam, the end date will automatically change to maintain a 6-week window. You will need to give your exam schedule a name. We recommend choosing a name that relates to the exam or exams that you're scheduling. A key code will automatically be generated. This will be used for your learner to start the exam. You can edit this key code to whatever you like by entering the text in the box. Now select the learners that you wish to schedule the exam for. You can select multiple learners by using the tick box on the left-hand side. When you have finished, click Save. You will then be taken back to your exam schedule details, where you can click on Save again. You have now scheduled your exam.